Hello, my dear students. Welcome to today's session of language structure. In today's session, we will learn how to join two simple sentences into one complete sentence without using and, but or so. Before we move further, first let us see what is synthesis. Synthesis means combination of two or more separate sentences into one new sentence. Hence, in order to combine the two sentences, we use either conjunctions, or we can also turn the simple sentences into complex sentence by using adjective clause, noun clause or adverb clause. Now, we will not use and, but and so, which are coordinating conjunctions. What we will do is, we will take several examples to understand the various ways of joining the sentences. Now, let us observe a few examples to get a better understanding of joining the sentences. Students, there are various possible ways to combine the given set of sentences. Also remember to put a comma wherever it is necessary, otherwise you will lose your marks. Now, let us see the first sentence. The team has a captain. He leads other team members. The team has a captain to lead other team members. Or, the team has a captain who leads other team members. Next, I speak the truth. I am not afraid of it. We can change it by saying, I am not afraid to speak the truth. Or we can say, I am not afraid of speaking the truth. It is raining. We will hold the function. It is raining. Nevertheless, we will hold the function. Or, although it is raining, we will hold the function. Next is, walk fast, you will miss the first period. Walk fast, otherwise you will miss the first period. We can also say, walk fast, else you will miss the first period. He is very clever. He cannot be deceived. He is too clever to be deceived. The visitors left. We went to bed. The visitors having left, we went to bed. Or, after the visitors left, we went to bed. It was a rainy day. I kept indoors. It being a rainy day, I kept indoors. Or, as it was a rainy day, I kept indoors. Next, she did not attend the party. That was her intention. She did not attend the party intentionally. Or, it was her intention not to attend the party. The sun set. The travelers had not reached their destination. The travelers had not reached their destination by sunset. She is smart. She is intelligent. She is smart as well as intelligent. Next, he failed. He didn't lose hope. He failed, yet he didn't lose hope. Or, although he failed, he didn't lose hope. Next, I was taking a quiz in science. The power went out. While I was taking a quiz in science, the power went out. We know each other. There is no need for introduction. As we know each other, there is no need for introduction. Or, there is no need for introduction because we know each other. You eat your vegetables. You cannot have an ice cream. Until you eat your vegetables, you cannot have an ice cream. He had enough money. He refused to buy a new car. In spite of having enough money, he refused to buy a new car. Or, despite having enough money, he refused to buy a new car. She was tired. She walked to the station. Despite being tired, she walked to the station. Or, although she was tired, she walked to the station. Now, when we have two options given, we can use either and or. He is a fool. He is a madman. He is either a fool or a madman. She will not spend her money. She will not invest it. Now the two negative sentences are given, so we can combine it by she will neither spend her money nor invest it. Next, he was obstinate. He was punished. He was obstinate, therefore he was punished. Or, he was obstinate, hence he was punished. We can also say, as he was obstinate, he was punished. Next example is, you are repentant, I will not forget it. I will not forget that you are repentant. Next is, he will waste his time, that is certain. It is certain that he will waste his time. Next is, the theft was committed last night. The man has been caught. We can combine it by the man who committed the theft last night has been caught. Next is, the grapes hung over the garden wall. The fox saw the grapes. We can combine it by saying, the fox saw the grapes which hung over the garden wall. You make a good deal of noise. I cannot work. It can be combined as, since you make a good deal of noise, I cannot work. We can also say, I cannot work as you make a good deal of noise. I will come, he must invite me. I will come if he invites me. Next, he looked into the well, he was stunned. He was stunned when he looked into the well. Next, he is not educated, he has practical knowledge. We can say, though he is not educated, he has practical knowledge. Next is, you hire a taxi, you will miss the train. Unless you hire a taxi, you will miss the train. Remember, unless is a negative word and does not take the word not after that. Now let's do a practice exercise here. I want you to pause my video and try to do the given sentences on your own. You can check your answers in the next slide. Students, here are the answers for the practice exercise. You can match your answers, but remember there are various ways to combine the sentences. The only thing is that the meaning should not change. Now, before I wind up, there are a few things to remember. Understand the essence of both the sentences given and choose the most appropriate word to combine the sentences. Second, Ensure the tense is correct and do not change the tense. Don't forget to put the appropriate punctuation marks like comma wherever necessary. Don't change the meaning of the sentences. Dear students, there is an assignment for you. You need to join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but or so. Remember, there are various ways to join a sentence. Take the most appropriate one. You need to do this given assignment in your English language notebook. Thank you, dear students. Keep practicing, keep working hard, stay safe, and all the best.